Hello, 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 all my chemistry students. How are you guys doing today? Today is National Native American Day and Columbus Day. Thought that was pretty cool. October 12th. Um, but for the online test, I will try to get those graded tonight and get that done as soon as I can. And then most of your grades should be updated in progress book. I would check probably tomorrow. I'll have it all done. But today we're going to move on. All right, we're going to cover two new terms that we kind of discussed in the first chapter, but we're going to review in this chapter and learn a little bit more. Okay, learn a little bit deeper. Okay, and I'm going to write the definitions down and go over some examples so that you will be able to do the assignment for today. Okay, so here's my paper. The two terms we're going to talk about today is ion, where ions include the same element with different number of electrons. Okay, same element with different number of electrons. The other term we're going to talk about is isotopes. Okay, it is the same element with different number of, this is neutrons. Now, quick question, why do you think can I have the same element, like, let's choose francium, right? Ooh, it's kind of hard going backwards. Oh, too far. There we go. Can I choose francium, have the same element with different number of protons? No, I can't. Because if I have francium and I add a proton, it becomes radium. Okay, it changes its element. So that's why I can't change the number of protons, but I can change the number of neutrons and electrons. All right. So what I'm going to show you here is a nuclear notation of the different elements. All right. So there's going to be two numbers. All right. The mass number goes on top. The atomic number goes on the bottom, which is also the number of protons. That goes on the bottom. Okay. Then you have the element symbol. And then over here, you're going to have the charge. Okay. So I'm going to give you an example. You might see 6, 3, lithium, and I'm just going to choose that for now. So I'm going to ask you, how many protons, how many neutrons, how many electrons? Okay. Well, the bottom number shows me my protons. So that's my protons. To find the neutrons, you have to subtract your two numbers. 6 minus 3 is 3, so I have 3 neutrons. Okay? So I subtract those two numbers to get neutrons. To get electrons, you have to do protons that should be 3. No. 3 protons. Protons minus the charge equal electron. Okay, well, how many protons do I have? I have 3 protons minus, is there a charge up here? There is not. There is 0 charges. So how many electrons do I have? 3 minus 0 is 3. And that's your answer. Okay, I'm going to go over another example here. What if 4,2 helium with a plus 2 charge? How many protons, neutrons, electrons? Well, right there shows me my protons. Protons are 2. If I subtract those two numbers, that gives me my neutrons. 4 minus 2, 2. Now I got to use this equation to get electrons. Protons minus the charge equal electron. So protons, I have 2 protons, minus my charge is a positive 2. What is 2 minus 2? So this has 0 electrons. Okay, let's try one more example and then we'll be done. Okay, next one, let's do 39, 19, K, and we're going to have a negative 3 charge to it. Okay, we're going to have a negative 3 charge. Protons, neutrons, electrons. Protons, well, it's right there, 19 protons. Neutrons, just got to subtract them. 39 minus 19 is 20. Electrons, well, I got to take my protons minus the charge. My charge is minus 3. What is 19? What's a minus a negative? Minus a negative. Oh, that turns into a positive. Minus negative turns into positive. 19 plus 3. And that's how you solve it. Okay. So hopefully that helps you solve some of the questions on the assignment I posted today. If you guys have any more questions, shoot me an email. I'll try to give further more explanation. But hopefully that helped out, and you guys should be good to go. But I hope you guys have a great day. You guys are awesome. Keep up the hard work. Have a great start to your next week, and we will see you later.